Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon. And so guys, please watch this video to end. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about birthday cake decorations in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching chocolate cake, beautiful cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it, and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy my cake designs. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. I provide you simple idea for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity are mentioned in my YouTube video. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake design for collecting beautiful channels. If you are interested in these types of design, in these types of video, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the birthday unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you're new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. You can use each perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal shower, groom shower, anniversary, professional party or any other celebrations. Consider the themed core matching the occasions. I hope you like this design with themed color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it, and also to try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. Thank you so much everyone for watching my cake designs. Allah Hafiz.